Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Legacy Network, the journey from LGCY to LGXY. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. So, if you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for our regular videos. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Guys, it's been a while since I made a Legacy Network video, and a lot of community members time and again told me to make a video on it. So it's about time, I think. I wanted to make this video after everything is done and dusted, after the migration happens, but I think it's about time that I make this video. Anyways, guys, let us look at what's happening with legacy network basically. I do not know how to pronounce LGSXY, legacy or what, a legacy network. So, guys, when the announcement was announced, basically the legacy network team announced the transition and rebranding and the apps that are coming to the blockchain and all of that stuff, the momentum, along with that, guys, the trading was suspended on Gate.io and other places where basically everyone is anticipating the transition and migration from the old legacy tokens to the new ticker LGXY. This basically skyrocketed the price due to the news as well as low liquidity on Uniswap as well, I think. So yeah, check this out, although the volume is extremely low. So this is why I wanted to basically wait out the after the migration, that what happens, and I can make a video along those lines. But still, if you look at the chart at the moment, guys, it went from 0.4091191668 all the way to 0.00050 of approximately. So this has been phenomenal, even though it is yet to be seen what happens as with the migration and all of that stuff, the swap. So yeah, 340.82% for the month, guys. If you look at the yearly chart, it broke through these resistance lines over here, 0.00032. It took it a few days to break everything, guys. And if you look at its all-time highs, I think I do not know what to make of this chart, but I look at this point over here, 0.01, 0.015, almost 2 cents basically. I think that this can be deemed as the levels that legacy network has to go and test out if it needs to cement its place as a leading layer one of the future, because the market all-time market cap was all-time high market cap was $225 million, approximately $250 million. So if it goes from $5 million all the way to $250 million, guys, it can be phenomenal. It can be awesome, and if it even goes beyond that, then incredible, 1 billion and more. Who knows, guys? Because it has plummeted a lot, so people are still. I have seen a lot of people who are still skeptical, who are a bit scared about the long-term prospect of legacy network. But guys, the proponents are saying that this will be huge. A lot of people are saying that. Like, check this out. This is 2 hours ago from Coin Ballers. Legacy solid update. LFG chain ready to transition. New LGXY token incoming. More dApps launching. New exchange listings incoming. CMC CoinGecko updates expedited. Marketing incoming. Massively undervalued at $5 million market cap. And even if you look at their official X handle, guys, this is their official X handle. Legacy Network is a layer 1 DPoS decentralized network capable of handling over 10,000 transactions per second at a minimal cost. And one more thing, guys, you remember their staking prospects, that when you stake LGXY, if you, I would like to call it Legacy, but Yeah, legacy. If you stake legacy, you will get basically the rewards in USDL, their stable coin. So this basically mitigates the selling pressure that normal proof of stakes have when the stakers sell the token. So in that regards, it has been tempting. Before we begin, I want to express my gratitude to everyone who joined us. We've established numerous new connections with the exchanges and potential partners. This excitement surrounding Web3 is massive as we head into this new run. Justin Wayo, the CEO, LGCY LGXY swap approval on Etherscan is expected any day now, guys. This is crucial for listings on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. We're expediting services for all our processes, so the wait shouldn't be much longer. And you remember, guys, the Lootup app, they basically made this blockchain to basically power this loot app, guys. Lootup app, loot being the token. You remember it vividly in our previous video. Loot will also receive expedited processing along with LGXY. Legacy fork update, we have transitioned the tokens to LGXY on the mainnet, and USDL has undergone significant changes as well. We anticipate no obstacles and are preparing for the final tests tomorrow, after which we will provide updates here. And the Pendulum Finance update, guys, the team is back, energized and ready. The much anticipated launch of Pendulum Finance is near, offering farming opportunities for legacy USDL, PND, the Pendulum token, amongst other partner tokens to enhance liquidity and stability within our ecosystem. So, guys, they are trying to build this ecosystem as a whole. Lootup app, their payments app, Pendulum Finance, their basically DeFi sort of opportunities, farming and everything. Maxi is a go. We will know an exact listing date once our listing agent returns from ETH Denver. So basically, they are not keeping anyone surprised anymore. The Maxi is the exchange that they will be listed on. We have a list of our KOLs set for this run, but if there's any KOLs you would like us to work with specifically, please tag LGXY Legion in their tweets. We have significant, by the way, I'm not associated whatsoever. I made a video a long time ago when this thing was, people were calling it dead, but I told you that there's still prospects of a coin when it builds in a bear market. These are good signs. So yeah, guys, not specifically working. This update was due, and I wanted to make it. And this is from the request from Crypto Growth Community, the family. We have significant updates coming throughout the week. So much happening, it's hard to keep up. That said, it's time to catch our flights and head back home and hunker down for the drops. So, guys, this is awesome. This is awesome. And what I like about it is that when I last covered this, there were no updates whatsoever. Really, a few tweets here and there. Basically, now there are a lot of updates and a lot of posts, guys. Memes for you while you wait. Absolutely no one. Me at 3 a.m. Big announcement coming from Legacy Network today. Keep your eyes peeled. Finally, it's Monday. Have a great week, everyone. So there are a lot of updates. Let me show you furthermore. They've got this partnership with Nitrodome as well. Lootup app updates. Get ready for the new app that will allow you and your friends to chat, discuss trends, and split dinner. The new Lootup app is on the way. Basically, guys, they made the blockchain to power this app. If you remember, I remember the interview of Justin, a long interview, a really good one. Find you a co-founder that looks at you like Justin looks at Wes. Loot Legacy USDL. How do we pronounce? I mean, we will still pronounce it as Legacy, right? Legacy. LGXY. Okay, so this is the partnership with Nitrodome. Nitrodome is partnering with Legacy Network to revolutionize gaming and blockchain. So basically, they are getting involved in gaming side of stuff as well, Web 3.0, metaverse, NFTs, and all that sort of stuff. Ever wonder what Legacy Network would look like if it were a group of mythical creatures? Well, now you know. Stay tuned for more exciting. So this is great that they are working on these. What is Abe doing over here? Just ask Lincoln. He said yes. Okay. So yeah, the logo you see right before it happens. They're now active. What I like about it is that they're active, and so is the community, guys. The team behind Quantum Int Corp isn't only building Lootup app, but also building two AI projects, which you can read more about in this article from a while ago. So they're building AI apps as well, which is the trend at the moment. So they've got, like I told you guys, they've got their sights set on metaverse as well, games, Legacy One, Battleverse teaser number one, LGCY L1BV. Okay, so Legacy One Battleverse. This is cool, guys. I now have my XDC Legacy and PRNT custom snapbacks. This is great. Let us look at LGXY ticker, what people are saying. So yeah, if only they knew by Harley Harmanson. He's just lucky. But bear market, puts, and everything. What do you guys think? Can Legacy reach its all-time high market cap of $250 million this bull run from the current market caps $5 million? What do you guys think? Check this out. Built in stealth mode through the bear market, price tanked, about to relaunch, should moon hard. What do you guys think? Will it reach those levels or not? Legacy bullish. So yeah, two can't fail X10 plus projects. Legacy network with its unbelievable stable gas coin, USDL, and the legacy. And you remember, guys, I talked about the passive income opportunity with Legacy Network being rewarded in USDL and being able to sell it and basically uh, to purchase anything you guys want. So yeah, this is great as well in my opinion. I hope that the APYs are good and tempting. But from these levels, guys, if someone buys a big bag, it rarely is a bad deal. In Legacy Network, seed shall all the nations of the earth be blessed. Loot up app launching soon. Loot will bless thee with an easy 100x. Okay, so Macho Man is also bullish, huh? The cream rises to the top. Both XDC and Legacy have very strong communities and have formed robust partnerships for the cycle. Guys, do you know why Legacy and XDC are being associated together time and again? Let me show you the partners it has. And one of the partners I remember vividly was XDC as well. Where is it? Where is it? I do not seem to be. Okay, so where are the partners? So yeah, Chainlink, guys, Chainlink, RocketX, SATA, UTO, and also XDC as well. I do not know. The internet is a bit slow. So yeah, XDC is also here. Even Flare Finance, guys, I saw Flare Network as well. Flare Network as well. You guys know how bullish I am on XDC and Flare Network. So this has the potential to be huge, guys, in my opinion. But let's see what happens with it. What do you guys think about Legacy Network and all this transitioning and transforming? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. And folks, for those of you like this video, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And folks, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well. And like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.